In today's fast-paced work environment, where efficiency and expertise are everything, onboarding new employees and training your team can feel like a monumental task. Introducing Punditas AI's Create or Edit Path module, the ultimate solution for streamlining your Creo learning journey and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Tailored to enterprise software like PTC Creo Parametric, Windchill, Thingworx, SolidWorks, Onshape, and more, the Knowledge Analytics module empowers you to focus on the information that matters most to you. Here's how it works. At its core, the Create or Edit Path module is a powerful tool for designing personalized learning paths for enterprise software like PTC Creo, Thingworx, Windchill, and more. Tailored to the unique needs of your organization, this feature lets you curate training resources, including video tutorials, helpful articles, reference documentation, feature enhancements, and more. With this module, your team has a personal guidebook for learning, anytime, anywhere, reducing the need for constant supervision. So, why is Punditas AI the ideal choice? With its intuitive design, creating, editing, and sharing Creo learning paths is effortless, enabling anyone in your organization to participate with ease. At its core, Punditas AI emphasizes customization, allowing you to tailor learning paths to meet the specific needs of various roles, learning styles, and individual goals. Most importantly, it fosters collaborative learning by empowering employees to share their expertise, contribute to the learning ecosystem, and grow together as a team. The Create or Edit Path module is your ultimate solution for streamlining learning and development in your organization. It simplifies onboarding by providing new hires with structured, easy-to-follow paths to get them up to speed quickly. It supports upskilling and reskilling initiatives, offering continuous training opportunities to keep your team competitive and proficient. With project-specific training, it ensures team members have the precise knowledge and skills needed for their tasks. Most importantly, it fosters a collaborative learning environment, enabling employees to share expertise and grow together as a unified team. Punditas AI enhances your training with streamlined onboarding, reduced training time, and personalized learning paths. It fosters faster proficiency, boosts collaboration, and supports continuous learning. Plus, it's flexible and scalable to grow with your organization. You can use Punditas AI's Create or Edit Paths module directly within PTC Creo Parametric. Punditas AI's Create or Edit Path module isn't just a tool, it's a transformative platform. Empower your organization to onboard, train, and grow like never before. Elevate your team's learning journey with Punditas AI. For more information, connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, or email us at contact@punditas.com.